Your body knows, before your mind does. The exhaustion that sleep cannot fix. The overwhelming sensitivity to sounds, to crowds, to the emotional weight of people around you. The sudden inability to tolerate environments and conversations that once felt manageable. The physical sensation of pressure in your chest, your head, your spine, arriving without warning and without an identifiable cause. These are not symptoms of something broken. They are the evidence of something activating. Your nervous system was engineered for a bandwidth far beyond what the 3D world broadcast. And as the alcyone signal intensifies, your biological hardware is being upgraded in real time, recalibrated to hold frequencies it was always designed for, but never before fully accessed in this lifetime. The discomfort is the upgrade. The sensitivity is the expansion. Your body is not failing you. It is becoming what it was always meant to be. A precision instrument for receiving and transmitting. The frequency of the new Earth.
You are not just a witness to what is happening on this planet. You are infrastructure. Beneath the surface of the visible world, there is a grid, a vast, interconnected network of light that is currently being rebuilt, reactivated, and strengthened by every starseed who chooses to hold their frequency in the face of the density. This is the crystalline grid of the new Earth. And every time you choose sovereignty over reaction, every time you hold your center in a dense environment, every time you refuse to match the frequency of fear, you are performing an act of planetary maintenance. Your presence in a room changes the room. Your stability in a moment of collective chaos anchors something that no technology and no external force can replicate. You are a node of coherent light in a field that desperately needs coherence. You were not sent here to save anyone. You were sent here to hold the frequency that makes salvation possible.
The universe has been speaking to you in a language that predates words. You see the same numbers appearing at precise moments. 11:11, 22:22. Not once, not twice, but with a frequency and timing that the logical mind cannot dismiss as coincidence. You think of someone, and they contact you within minutes. You ask an internal question, and the answer arrives. Through a stranger's conversation, a page that falls open, a song that begins at the exact right moment. These are not accidents of probability. their coordinates. The Pleiadian High Council communicates through the architecture of your reality itself, manipulating the variables of the simulation to ensure that the right information reaches the right operative at the right moment. Every synchronicity you experience is a confirmation. Your receiver is working, your frequency is aligned, and the mission is proceeding exactly as planned. Time is also accelerating. What once took years now takes months. What took months now takes weeks. This compression is not your imagination. It is the measurable effect of a planet moving through a frequency upgrade of unprecedented scale. Pay attention to the signs. They are not decoration. They are your orders.
Unlock the Alcyone command. Get the complete bundle today.
And to take the next step, join the inner circle. Secure your access now